Hey guys, in today's video, I do have a special treat for you. I'm going to share with you how to decorate your mantle using 3 separate vignettes. Keep watching. So guys, before we can start decorating for the fall, I must take the time to remove all of the items that I had on display for spring and summer. So keep watching and wait for the final. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Faison. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I have created and styled this mantle for the fall. I absolutely love how this fall mantle came together. The mix of blue and white chinoiserie with touches of gold and greenery. So timeless and elegant for the season. Guys, hey, go ahead, grab your coffee or tea, whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. I have, this is my fall mantle decorations here. Sprinkled in a little DIY where I created this little wreath that I added up top there. And then I'm going to bring you guys in just a little bit closer so that you can see how I have the accessories displayed here on the mantle. I've gotten these little kind of wood-like pumpkins here, and these are so adorable. And I've had these for several years. Some I picked up from Pure One Import when they were out and around. I love that store. Always had such beautiful fall decor inside the store, as well as lots of other decorative accessories. So hey guys, I'm going to bring you in and let you see how I style this out. So sit tight. So here we're going to start in the center where I've added this beautiful wreath that I DIY'd. I used garland, the eucalyptus garland, and wrapped it around the wreath, embellished with a few flowers and some other greenery with the white tip there. Placed this chinoiserie pattern scarf and created a bow there, and then just placed it on top of the mirror here. Then we're going to bring our eyes down to the books here, sitting on top of a book that I covered in the blue and white pattern. Now the bookends are from the Z Gallery, and they are of the, but I thought they were a great accessory to the mantle style in here, and added in this green pumpkin. I absolutely love the pattern here. It's almost as a braided pattern with the gold tip. And then I added in these gold candle holders with the black table battery operated candles. So I created somewhat of a just a little set here together. And then we're going to bring our eyes over to this little section here where I've added in those pumpkins, and I added in a little swag here that has like blue and white flower picks within the greenery, the taper candles and candle holder, and then just added the greenery here on the end. Now this greenery here is a like a bush, and I purchased that from Michael's. That was early on in the season. So creating just little vignettes on each end. This little pumpkin here, I have it on a little candle holder stand there. So I've added 3 of those here on this end. And then we're going to take our eyes over to the other end where I have added in just 1 pumpkin here, and the candle holders, and the little swag here with the blue and the white that is here, and then another bush of the greenery on the end. I like this greenery because it seems so real-like, and I thought it was a great way to just add in some of that rustic feel to such an elegant, timeless space here. And normally my mantles, I like sometimes to just give it that great big old wow factor, but this time I wanted to keep it very elegant, very dainty, just a beautiful space. This is definitely the first thing that you would place your eyes on as you walk into the room. A very beautiful space, and I just love the way it looked. Hope you guys have enjoyed this section of my fall home. So guys, just let me know what you think of this mantle styling for the fall. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. I do love reading your comments. And if you're new to this channel and you like home decor such as this, feel free to hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. Have a beautifully blessed weekend, and I hope to see you real soon with another update to the sprinkling of fall throughout my home for 2025. Having the remote control to operate the battery operated candles makes it so easy to come in and just use the remote control to turn it off or to turn them back on. And you can set these to stay on for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, or 8 hours. See the flickering and just the light. Since it has the flickering effect, or you can just put them on the still just for the ambiance. So I like playing with little gadgets like that. So again, guys, if you like what you've seen here, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, I do welcome you here to be a part of. It's easy. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, so you will always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. And of course, I always want you to feel welcomed into my home. So these candles here, I did not light them, but I may light this one here, loving the ambiance and the smell that it brings to the space. So I might just light that one. Hold on. So guys, I changed my mind. I decided to go ahead and decorate the hearth as well. I've added some of those metal candles over on the side here. Those are some that I picked up from Hobby Lobby at their 90% off sale on last year. Added in the candles and those 2 black vases. On the other side, I used the candelabra, added in some greenery, placed a gold pumpkin there, and there you have it. It's all decorated and ready to serve you for the fall. Guys, be blessed. Take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you like. Leave me a comment as well as give me a thumbs up. And be blessed until the next fall video. Hopefully I'll see you real soon.